Zeal Education Society, redefining excellence.
Hello, myself Disha Ankalkote from 3rd year of Computer Department of Zeal Polytechnic. I am here to present you all our group project which holds the title Medium Scale Enterprises and Salesmanship Behavioral Characteristics Influence on Business Performance, with my two more group members Vaishnavi Biradar and Sandeep Jagtap under the guidance of Sunita Gazre ma'am. So, beginning with the introduction part, small-scale business are those businesses which are independently owned and operated, requiring limited capital with few employees and non-sophisticated technology, and which is not dominant in its field of operations. Small businesses are small in operations. Type of small businesses include those engaged in trade and commercial activities, services, and small-scale manufacturing. Small businesses can be started with very minimal capital and without any formality. Many small businesses are operated as family business and can be combined with regular employment. Personal selling is an aspect of salesmanship which involves person-to-person interaction between a seller and the buyer to effect change of facts for making buying decision. The salesperson has to communicate to the buyer by persuading and creating awareness for the product to be desired. This is because personal selling is a face-to-face communication which has the potential to convince the buyer and demonstrate the workability of the product in terms of its quality and features. Personal selling enables marketers to make their presentation to fit the needs, wants, motives, and behavior of individual customer. Personal selling is an effective tool used by organizations to receive the desired response from its customers and prospects. Statement of the problem. The management and operations of small business is confronted with some challenges which constitute the limitations hindering growth of small business in Nigeria. Small business can be started with very minimal capital and without any formality. Many small business are operated as family business and can be combined with regular employment. This also affects the salary of the salesman who may not be motivated to perform ultimately. Also, the lack of managerial skill also affects the smooth and successful operation of small business. Lack of planning skill often leads many businesses into failures. Poor decision making and improper accounting also constitute the problem confronted by small businesses among other things. This combined together impedes on the performance of the salesman. The problem confronting the research is to determine medium-scale enterprises and salesmanship behavioral characteristic influence on business performance. Objectives of the study. Medium-scale enterprises and salesmanship behavioral characteristic influence on business performance. To identify the challenges militating against the effectiveness and positive behavioral of salesmen in business performance. To examine factors on how to improve upon on medical scale enterprises and salesmanship behavioral characteristics influence on business performance. To proffer solution to the challenges militating against the effectiveness and positive behavior of salesmen in business performance. Significance of the study. That study shall be used to appraise medium-scale enterprise and salesmanship behavioral characteristic influence on business performance. The business will be of help to government of the Federation in understanding the great impact medium-scale business has on the growth and development of the Nigeria company. That study shall be used to appraise medium-scale enterprises and salesmanship behavioral characters influence on the business performance. Statement of research hypothesis. HO medium-scale enterprise and salesmanship behavioral characteristic has no significant influence on business performance is low. HI medium-scale enterprise and salesmanship behavioral characteristic has significant influence on business performance is high. Scope of the study. The study focuses on the salesmanship behavioral characteristic influence on SMEs business performance. The study will cover the medium-scale enterprises and salesmanship behavioral characteristic influence on business performance. Definition terms: medium scale enterprises, small and medium sized enterprises, or small and medium sized businesses are businesses whose personnel numbers fall below certain limits. The abbreviation SME is used by international organizations such as the World Bank, the European Union, the United Nations, and the World Trade Organization. Salesmanship: the skills and methods used in selling or promoting commercial products. Behavioral: involving, relating to, or emphasizing behavior. Characteristics: a feature or quality belonging typically to a person, place, or thing and serving to identity them. Business performance: performance management is a set of performance management and analytic processes that enables the management of an organization's performance to achieve one or more pre-selected goals. So yeah, that's all about our project. Grateful for your attention. Thank you.